have an IITian. He is an IITian. One amazing thing about him, and which I want to put it right here to all other Toastmaster Club, is we as a Menti Toastmaster Club have trailers for each and every meeting. The person behind this trailer is none other than the next evaluator, Vice President, Public Relationships, Arjun. Let's do a big round of applause.
Just a clarification, do we have trailers for every single meeting?
You have for most of the meetings.
Like expecting. Anyway, so yeah, actually, this Toastmaster Vijayarajan delivered a speech which is very relevant to most of us. We are in a society where people try to maximize our profits, no matter who we are. In fact, I have a story like there was a person coming in from Mumbai, a guest speaker, and he had to come to Adyar from Chennai Central. And the auto driver, he went to the auto driver, and the auto driver just looked at him, said, 500 rupees. And the person didn't know, he thought that's how things were in Chennai. And so he paid the money, and that day the auto driver hit a jackpot. So Toastmaster Vijayarajan today showed us that this is the case for all of us when we don't know what exactly happens with our products, with things we use every single day. That way I thought Toastmaster Vijayarajan achieved his speech objectives perfectly. His speech objectives were to give a new and useful message and to make it very clear to the audience. Was it new? I thought so. I've never heard of such a message before. This message, especially the way especially the things he said about people tampering your product, when tampering other things in your product when you give it for service. That was something which was very startling for me. And he also gave us new advice on how to write our initials on the serial number. And his entire topic was something which was very new to me. Was it useful? I believe so. It was very useful. All of us definitely own a laptop. Even though we are engineers or we are studying engineering, we never take the opportunity to learn about our product. Was it understandable? Definitely. I love the way he didn't put the message across just as a message. He started off by a story. He didn't reveal what his message was. And finally, his story of the laptop repair, which was very relatable, very understandable to most of us. And finally, he hit the message, which was to understand your product. Yeah, I especially like how he showed us how simple it is to understand a product by bringing his laptop over here and making us say what all the components were in the laptop. Now, if there was one suggestion I would give for this speech, I felt at the end you got a bit, the organization in your speech was a bit messed up. As in, when you were telling the story and you hit the message, you hit a peak for that. And I felt that should have been the ending. And you brought in the laptop after that. So if you could have switched those two, you could have brought in the message early and then hit the peak, hit the punch at the end, which would have created more impactful speech. But otherwise, a wonderful, very informative speech. And looking forward to your second AC.
Thank you so much for the evaluations, brilliant evaluations. So now it's the time for you to choose the best evaluator. Although everyone were brilliant, we need to choose one. So we need to vote for the best evaluator, before which I would request the timer to read out the qualified evaluators.